All in all, with the promo discount of $47.40, the total what you end up paying is $383.83. By clicking the link in the description, you will come to this page. Make sure you're using that link. You will see this 15% discount automatically at checkout. You can directly go to their website. However, you don't see that 15% discount at the time of checkout, which you will see in the video. So make sure you're using the link. And by using this link, you will come to this page and here you click Get Started Now. You will come to this page, tell us about your business, click New, and depending on province, you will choose your province and then click Next. You will come to this compare your option page. So here you will select incorporation. For the incorporation, here you will have to select I want a named or a numbered company. Here we will choose numbered company. On this page, you will create your account by entering your credential, that is first name, last name, email, and password. Once this is done, you sign up. And with sign up, you will come to this dashboard. For British Columbia Provincial Corporation, this is how you would get a number assigned. A number will replace this, what is shown here. And then British Columbia Limited. This is how the company name will look like. Then we start filling in this information. Account information starts with the phone number, address, and then I am a Canadian resident. So basically Canadian resident is a citizen and permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. So once this is done, you click next. Here for the corporate information, again what was filled earlier, same thing reflects here. Provincial Canadian corporation based in British Columbia, and then the address my company will operate in. Here I am showing consulting and business services. Once you click here, you will get a drop down. You can choose closest industry to which your business is from this drop. So once this is done, the company's fiscal year, I'm keeping it December. It will follow the cycle January to December, and the tax filing will happen in mid of next year. So once this is done, click next. I want a numbered company. So this is the selection which has been made, and then click next. Company ownership by myself, it's a single person company. When this is done, click next. You come to the director. So again, it's a single person. That's why it shows like this. Once you go on this drop down, it will reflect the address, what is entered, and other details, what was entered earlier. So since it meets the requirement, I will click next. Again, for the officers section, by default, the name comes. Once that selection is done, and here the requirement is met, click next. Shares and share classes. So I'm keeping at 100% single person. So no brainer. Once this is done, since all the requirement is met, click next. Then comes the choose your plan. Here the government registration fee, you see $383 for British Columbia. Legal formation $316, which is a one-time fee. Both of these are one-time fee. Then the annual subscription here, online minute book plan, which is free for the first year. From second year onwards, $199. If you go for managed corporation plan, then it is $499 for the first year, and then follows up with $599 every year. Select the option you want. I'm selecting this, and also you save $300 by instantly opening an RBC bank account. So once you select this plan, you see the government registration, legal formation, 1 year owner subscription, all of this, and then you also get a discount with RBC bank of $300. All in all, with the promo discount of $47.40, the total what you end up paying is $383.83. So once you have done with this and you see discount applied, click next. Before that, remember that the RBC bank account has to be opened within 60 days of the payment. If it is not done, then the money will be charged to your credit card, the $300. So keep that in mind. Now click next. It's time to enter the payment information. Once the card details are entered and you go ahead and pay, the last step is the final review. Check, recheck, cross-check. Once you have confirmed that everything is correct and you submit, the company will get the provincial registration done for you and they will inform you over email. So that's the entire process to register the company. I hope you find this video useful. Make sure to use the link in the description to avail all that is shown here, and thanks for watching. Friends, do check out my website canadatriedandtested.com, which I keep updating from time to time. And as you can see, I have organized everything in a way easy for you to find based on the topic of your interest.